As one of the fastest growing companies in the electronic repair industry, we want to tell you about the state of Techy, how we got here, and how we plan to grow even more. My name is Nick, the creative director of Techy, and I'll be your guide as we go over the state of Techy and how we are going to take this brand to the next level. The Techy brand started from one small cell phone accessory company over 15 years ago. We started to offer device repair services and decided to create the brand Dr. Phone Fix. We did this for years and grew this brand to about 50 locations. But we realized our name was turning away potential business as we repaired anything with an on button at the time. We decided to rebrand in 2020, and that's when Techy was born. Techy now has locations all over the world, including Brazil, Africa, and Australia. And we have many brands in the industry under our ownership. Techy, Expermax, Lifeline Repairs, Techy Extra, Techy Save, Techy Cafe, and more coming in the very near future. Our goal and mission has always been to innovate and think outside the box to help our franchise partners grow. That's why we've acquired different brands like Expermax to help our partners buy and sell used devices. We've implemented programs like Techy Save, which is an amazing membership opportunity for us to offer recurring revenue to our brick and mortar stores. We are also launching our Techy Cafe robot, which will help us leverage the 10,000 people that walk by our stores inside Walmart coming very soon. I don't know if you heard that, but we said our stores are inside Walmart, the biggest retail company on planet Earth. These are all things created and implemented to help our franchise partners grow as easy as possible. Now let's pass it over to our Vice President of Operations, Kyle, to talk about all the opportunities our franchise partners have to increase revenue.
As of August 2023, Techy stores have so many avenues to generate revenue and increase profits. As you heard earlier, we have partnered with retail giant Walmart, which is a great opportunity because thousands of people walk by our stores every single day. Growing the business as a Techy franchisee is as simple as standing outside and handing out flyers to all the foot traffic walking past your store. You can hand out flyers to sell electronics, repair services, or even sell accessories from phone cases, tempered glass, Bluetooth speakers, and much more. And what we are really going all in right now is selling our renewed devices, helping our communities get into newer devices at a very steep discount. This has been such an amazing opportunity for our stores. We have even had franchise partners on the verge of tears telling us much of this opportunity of selling renewed devices has absolutely changed their life and their business. And don't forget, our new coffee robot is launching soon, allowing people a fresh cup of coffee to be served from a fully autonomous robot. Now, let's pass it back to Nick in our repair room to hear more about training.
Once someone gets brought into the Techy ecosystem, they get a 2-week in-person training class here in our training room to go over all of our systems, how to fix devices, how to work our system, and of course, we push our Techy 5 on them, our core values. Smile, have a great attitude, have a plan, speak positive, and show up early. But clearly, 2 weeks is not nearly enough time to get all the information from our over 15 years of experience inside the electronic repair industry. That's why we developed Techy University, the most comprehensive online learning system in the entire electronic repair industry, going over every aspect of our business, from increasing sales conversions to running paid social media ads profitably. We also have a live chat with our entire corporate team in the Clubhouse app at 9 a.m. every weekday to allow our partners to ask any questions to our corporate team. So no matter how close or far away they are, each franchisee has our support and doesn't feel like they're on an island. Let's get back to the newsroom and talk about how we are going to take this to 500 locations. Techy is a culmination of 15 years of hard work and our entire corporate team. We are incredibly proud of the brand we've created, and we invite anyone to come to our 24,000 square foot headquarters located in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida for a Techy tour. And the structure we implemented and our strategic partnerships are going to be the reason this brand skyrockets to well over 500 locations. Our Techy franchise pricing is very fluid, depending on many factors, and there could be a Techy somewhere with your name on it. If you want to break off your own piece of the multi-billion-dollar electronic repair industry, reach out to us at franchise@techycompany.com to get more information.